I'm going to add my birthday list. Now I'm going to sleep. Today is my birthday. Now I'm going see. What? Harry birthday? No.
That right. This is your birthday. Let go see the snack.
Why you make this food?
Because I make this food. I make fish and chip, taco, hot cross buns, Subway, burger, and Pringles. Let go see your present.
Why you give me the stupid DVD?
Because I give from Sonic, Tails, Amy, Cream, Knuckles, Pac-Man, and Tiana. They give me Pacifier, Zoom, Game Plan, Nanny McPhee, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Avengers Endgame, Talladega Nights, Daddy Daycare, Click, Home, Spy Kids, and Cool Running.
No, I want Puppy Star, Pet Sematary, Alvin and the Chipmunks, and kid songs.
Too bad.
Let go to birthday cake.
It made out of hair. I'm throw.
Hewan, gizaw, how dare you throw the birthday cake?
That it. You grounded for life.
Go to your room right now and watch this movie.